Welcome to the world of mutual funds. Did you know that investing in mutual funds isn't just about picking any fund? There are some smart ways to invest and even smarter ways to withdraw your money. Let's check out 3 powerful strategies you can use to make the most of your investments. Want to invest a fixed amount regularly and benefit from rupee cost averaging? SIP is your go-to. It's ideal for investors looking to achieve long-term financial goals and wealth creation. Want to reduce the risk of market volatility by gradually shifting your investments? STP is just what you need. It lets you transfer a fixed amount from one fund to another, helping you manage risk better. Need a regular cash flow without dipping into your savings? SWP is your solution. You can withdraw a fixed amount regularly, making it ideal for retirees or anyone who wants a steady cash flow without the hassle. So, whether you are looking to invest consistently, switch things up, or enjoy a regular cash flow, these strategies have got you covered. Ready to start your smart investment journey? Call us today and let's build your wealth together.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risk. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.